time. Yeah, I have no idea how many times I ran down to the kitchen. You have no idea. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this properly with the camera today. Look at me now. Hello. Okay, I just ran back and forth between my kitchen and my room like 6 times. And it's... oh god. I need some water. I need some water. And by water I mean some Dr. Ipsy. I couldn't stream in the kitchen, so I brought the kitchen to my room. Oh boy. I just realized I need to melt butter, but I don't want to go down to the kitchen again. I have hot water. Can I just melt the butter with the hot water? I probably could. I'll do that actually. Use my GPU. Well, if my stream cuts off randomly in the middle, then you know why. I have cheesecake batter on my hair. Hey, at least it tastes good. Hey, at least it tastes good. I'm gonna need a long shower after this. This is a mess. Mix in 65 grams of granulated sugar. I have sugar. Sugar. Yes, please. The MC. Okay, I realized my sugar is not completely like white sugar. It's kind of like one of those organic sugars. So the lemon jelly is a little brown, but I think it still has the spirit. It still has the spirit, so I'm gonna forgive it. Literally, okay, what happened was I told Mama-nis, I was like, Mama-nis, I need to get white sugar, like completely bleached white sugar. And Mama-nis was like, she literally pulled the "we have sugar at home." She literally pulled "we have sugar at home," Ina. Oh no. And sugar at home is literally, yeah, you'll see what happened. Don't worry about it. I'm sure it'll taste fine. As long as it tastes fine, that's what matters the most, okay? As long as it tastes fine. You might get a bite of matcha here and there, but you know, that's just part of life. You just get a mouthful of bitterness from time to time. It's just how life is. Okay, we're done! We're done! We're done, I say, we're done! I don't know where to put this. I'll put it here. My room is a mess, but we have cheesecake. My room is a mess, but we have cheesecake. I don't know why I'm singing, but we have cheesecake. Yay!